Hey guys, and welcome back to Essential Excel. Today we've got a quick tip that we're going to be looking at, what we think you can start using and will help solve some problems you might be facing on a daily basis. So often when working with data or in spreadsheets, we might have our data presented to us in one of two formats, either stored in one single column going from top to bottom here, so you can see we've got a list of all the months from January to December. But alternatively, your data might be actually per column. So rather than January or 1 month being per row, we have 1 month per column, as you can see at the top here. And we might need to convert or change the layout of how the data is stored. So if it's received to us in 2 rows of information like this, we might want to convert it so it's into 2 different columns separated by rows instead. This could be for many reasons, whether it's just making it easier to view, to send to someone, or if you're trying to do graphs or charts and need that information presented in a different manner. So what we've done is we've got the two formats here, and we're just going to show you how you can easily change it from going across multiple columns to multiple rows using a paste special method that is called Transpose. You can see that we've first of all done our months here in our first column A. We've pasted them down, and we're now going to just show you how you can do this sales row to match into the same with this column here. So in order to do a transpose paste, you simply select all the information that you're wanting to copy, and then you can right click and go copy, or if you're on the keyboard you can do Control C, and then simply go to where you want the data to start, right click, and under here you have a few paste options. So we've got a few other that we'll probably cover off in some other videos, but the first one we're looking at is this one over here, third from the right, that is Transpose. And if you highlight or hover over the icon, you can see it actually says Transpose. So if you hit that or click that, what you'll see is the information has now been presented to you or comes out in a different format, going in that single column across multiple rows rather than in the single row going across multiple columns. We just did that one column on its own, but that doesn't mean that you have to always do that on it. You have to do one row at a time. What you actually can do is, if we go back to our data set up here and select all the information and copy this all together, we can then go to a new column, paste special, transpose, and you can see it's all stored there together. And that's not limited to just 2 rows, it could be as much as the data set requires. So if you've got your information stored in this horizontal position, so across 1 or 2 rows and multiple columns, if you copy and transpose, what the transpose will do, it will put it into this vertical position, as you've seen us just do here. Alternatively, if you wanted to go from this view across the 2 columns and multiple rows and put it into the format you see in above, again, just select this data, go to where you want to start the information from, paste options, transpose, and there you go, you can see it's now popped it back into that format. So that's the 2 variations that you have of it. It's either converting the horizontal data into a vertical data set or the vertical data set into the horizontal. And that is a great trick to use when messing around with data or just trying to reformat stuff as required. We hope you like this quick little tip. If you want to see more quick tips and shortcuts like this, please let us know by dropping a comment below or give this video a like. And also, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already, we've also got a Facebook page, links below in the description, and a website. So go and check those out, and again, drop us a comment if you have any questions. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.